Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover multiple select in Selenium with some examples. So how we are handling drop-downs and multiple select in WebDriver using Selenium. So you can see this one method get options. Okay, it will list all the elements which are in the list. Okay, like uh, like there are 10 items and it will return 10 values. Okay, so we have taken select as equal to new select, and these are the items you can elements you can say where we have given some expert. So I have used this list to list down that expert. So s dot get options, it will list down all the options, and instead of this one, if we keep get first selected option, then it will return the first value which is selected. Okay, what else is multiple is there, so in place of get options we'll put is multiple. Okay, it will return only the boolean value is true or false. Okay, if their multiple selection is happening we can do it, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, one more is there like select by index. You can select the drop down value by index, like it start from 0, then it will increment by 1. Okay, then 1 2 as per the values you will see in the list, like 10 is there, 0 1 2 3 4 5, whichever value you want to select, you have to keep that index. Now select by value. Some value equal to some attribute name will be the value, and equal to some, like option 1 is given, so that is the value. You have to write as those select by value. Okay, now deselect is also there. If you do not want to select anything and already selected and you want to remove it, then deselect by visible text value will be given there. Okay, deselect by index is there. Okay, index value you have to give. Deselect by value is there, so you can give that value here. Okay, it will remove a selection. Select by visible text is there, and you can select by visible text, and deselect all we can do if all are selected. So like this we have. So in this here one example is given. So this is the object we have created, and d is the x path of that. Okay, driver dot find by, then full x path is given. Okay, so we will move back get options. Okay, and we have list. Okay, under list we can print in for loop. So get text full list will be printed. Is multiple is also used here to get true or false value. By in select by index is used. Select by visible text. Okay, get first selected, deselect index, deselect all. So all these are used, so you can see and you can get. Okay, main are these only, so just once go through it and you will get your answers. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.